to add Coinbase to your account. Start by logging in to the Coinbase website. From the top menu, select the wallet option, which will display a list of available wallets. Choose Coinbase from this list, and a new window will open, offering two connection options: auto sync and importing a file. While the import option is available, it is not the most efficient method, as it requires manual importation of your transaction history. The auto sync option is recommended, so click on that to proceed. You will then be prompted to click on the Continue to Coinbase button, which will redirect you to the Coinbase website, where you will need to log in to your account again. Once logged in, check the box and click Allow Access to complete the connection process, and your Coinbase will be successfully added.